Hey there, on your Thursday planner, I am pulling out my math textbook and going to have my math workbook ready to work on here once we talk about symmetry. And I'm on page 410 in my textbook, getting toward the middle of the book there. Okay, symmetry. Oh, my camera's not quite right. Give me a second. Okay, is that a little better? I'm asking you guys like you're answering me. Okay, symmetry. Symmetry is when something is the same on both sides. So actually, as humans, we are not symmetrical. We tend to have one foot or one hand bigger than the other. We tend to have one nostril or one leg that's different than the other. Anyway, we are bilateral creatures, but we're not the same on both sides. So this is talking about symmetry. What in the form of shapes, we have where a shape can be folded and be the exact same on both sides. So check out this odd shape. It's kind of like a bow tie, but it's squished on one side. Does it have a line of symmetry? Well, yes, because if I were to fold it, this side would match up perfectly, as would this end. Check out the rectangle. The rectangle can be folded two ways to be symmetrical. Up and down, these ends would match, and top to bottom they would match. So it has two lines of symmetry. And then the equilateral triangle, that looks like the same image that was on the workbook the other night. It's got three lines of symmetry there. Sorry, my lamp is making me crazy. So one line this way, it can be folded and be the same. That triangle can be folded this way and this way, the exact same. And then check out this quadrilateral. I know it's a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. It says in my book that it has 0 lines of symmetry, and that's because it cannot be folded and match up perfectly with its other sides. So symmetry is where an item can be folded along a line so that the two parts match. So if I were to take my lesson plan paper that was already folded, I could fold it identically from one side to the other and crease, and it has a line of symmetry. I could do this several times because it's a rectangle, but abnormal or abstract polygons don't always fold exactly. So this one has 0 lines of symmetry. No matter which way I fold it, this will not match up to here. At the same time, this will match up with here. Okay, so you can do all sorts of origami or shape trials if you have extra paper at home. You could draw lines of symmetry in your regular shapes. This geometry chapter is kind of fun. Let you experiment a little bit more. Right if the blue line is a line of symmetry. So on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon, yeah, the left side would match up with the right. A really good way to tell is if you had like a really skinny mirror and you could put it right there in between. Number 3. I don't know. I'm thinking no. It doesn't look like it's going to match up exactly. Maybe close, but not exactly. Number 4, the oval, yes, and the heart, yes. Those will match up. Not one of Miss C's drawn hearts, so I never can get them quite right. Tell if the blue line is a line of symmetry. No. No. Yes. Trace each figure, then draw the line or lines of symmetry. So in number 8, you could draw it horizontal and vertical. And number 9, I could draw it vertical, but can we draw a horizontal line? No, I can't fold the top of the T down and match. If this were the letter I, a capital letter I, yes, it could have 2 lines. It would go this way and this way, but this is a T. I don't have this edge and this edge down here. And then number 10, I think I can only draw a horizontal line of symmetry on it to match. Now if I fold over in the middle, this doesn't have anywhere else to go to match it. Okay? In your workbook packet, 106, please put your name up top. Draw the line or lines of symmetry. This does not have to be perfect. You don't need your ruler, but you do have your school ruler if you would like to get that out. Okay, this A, I can do it that way. I don't see any other way that I could fold it and make it identical. So right now I'm just talking about going this way. Number 2, this way. So the top to the bottom. And the left to the right. Those would match too. Number 3, an 8 or an infinity, it would go this way. And I could also do it this way. Okay. 4, tell if it is a line of symmetry, yes or no. It's not in the center, so no. Number 5, yes. And I could do one this way. Number 6, no. That wouldn't match up with that. It could be done this way though, up and down. I'm going to draw that. And you know what, on this one too, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to go right here and right there. Because this is pretty easy. Let's make it a little bit more challenging. Number 7, yes. I can't cut that triangle any other way. 8, yes. And 9, as it is, no, but I could make it correct here and here. Oops, I got a little low there. Steve had 24 baseball cards. Saw a digit, circle a digit. He gave 10 to his sister, so that's 14. Then he divided the rest of the cards between his 2 brothers. So 14 divided by 2. How many cards did each brother get? So 24 minus 10 divided by 2 equals, this is 14. No, you can't see my dots. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 cards each. That was easy. Jim shared a package of 50 stickers equally among herself and 4 friends. So how many people did he pull? 5. How many stickers did each person receive? 50 divided by 5 equals 10 stickers. And we divided, so it's a ratio, so 10 stickers each. That was the back. God's world has symmetry. All right, draw 2 or more lines of symmetry in the second part here, and just 1 line of symmetry in the first part here. You're on your own for this, and I can't wait to see it and see that you got it right.